Hello, WordPress website creators and owners. You always need advanced and user-friendly feature at your business website to enhance the user experience. Like this is a professional website for tour and travel agency, and that we created in an earlier video during the theme overview 2x. You can watch this specific video on this channel. This website offers login features, and especially if you are running a website having WooCommerce feature, I mean an e-commerce website with WooCommerce, it is certainly offering login feature, and that is a very important and integral part of an e-commerce website. Like other business website also offers login where the login is required for availing the services from the website through the website for the specific business needs. Like we have this complete website and it has the login form and it is also using the default login. Like if we talk about the WP login or WP admin, this is the default login screen. But as you can see here, the default login screen is showing only to enter the send me the link on the email. Like this is not the username password, or it is simply asking the email or even username to get the link on the email to log in into the website for next activities. So this feature is very important because it is enhancing the user experience, and even it is verifying the email, and the users are going to get a seamless experience during the login, because it is very traditional or old method, you can say, to keep remember the login ID and password, or uh, the browser should remember your login ID and password for multiple websites. So it is a very good idea to have login using email. So I'm going to discuss the solution that can be implemented at any WordPress website, irrespective which plugin or theme being used for your business website. So let us jump into the solution. What I'm going to discuss, the solution is called Magic Login. Yes, we are going to create a Magic Login experience on the WordPress website. And as I said, you can use this Magic Login feature at any of the WordPress website. So let me read this short paragraph. The ultimate solution for password-free WordPress logins. Yes, we are going to offer a solution, offer easiness for our users that offers a password-free login to WordPress website, and it is already trusted by thousands. Magic Login Pro, so we are using Pro here, sends a secure magic links directly to your email, making login effortless and enhancing the site accessibility. The simpler way to ensure the seamless user experience, and it is of course enhancing the security as well. And if we talk about the pricing and all, where you can get this theme, I mean this plugin, I'm sorry. So this plugin can be obtained through the video description link. I'm going to add all the relevant links that you may need in the description of this video. And if you have any further question, you can join us on the iCreate program. Here is the WP Films website, and you can click on the iCreate here, and you can ask any specific question related to WordPress website here on the live chat with the mentor. So it is all for you. And let us come back to the solution that we are going to discuss. So this is the dashboard of Magic Login Pro. So this is the setting area, and under the setting I have the Magic Login Pro since I have already installed the plugin. So the setting screen offers multiple tricks that you can choose how you want to integrate the solution. So first thing that I can show you, force magic login. So it is totally your choice how you want to implement the solution. When you are toggling this on and enabling this option, use magic login by default. So at my setting, it is enabled. So this is why it is offering only the login using email. And if I keep it off, so how it works, let me show you. And I'm going to refresh this page. when I kept the kept it off, we have both the options. Either it can be used by the default WordPress login form, or it can be used as send me magic link for the login. So it is recommended when you have already a website, you are already having multiple users on your website, like if you are having an e-commerce website and you want to implement this magic login solution. So it is recommended to keep both the option on, so that the earlier users may use this form, and the new users or the users who want to have a quick link for login may use this send me login link. So this is very good. And now I'll show you all the options for the settings. Like when we are enabling this magic login, I shown you the effect. Further, if you have the custom login form, like this website offers, if we talk about the website, so this offers this login screen, and it is inbuilt uh, theme login account. I mean, not like theme, it is my account page, which remains available on WooCommerce website or the websites offering the login. So it is showing the default thing, means the magic login is not enabled here. So we can simply enable this magic login. How we can do this? So we can go to the my account page, and I go to the pages, because it is a custom page. So I can simply search the my account, and here is the my account which is active, and we can simply edit this to implement the magic login. And here is the here is the shortcode which is being used for existing login form. So what we can do, we can simply change the shortcode, and here is the shortcode. So shortcut is here. So simply copy this shortcode, and uh, on the shortcode area we can paste the shortcode and save. Now, when we will check the default login screen, and I'm going to refresh this. Here is the magic login implemented. It is very simple and easy to implement. So you can see the effect, how it is working. And now the users can only log in using the uh, username or email address that is going to be sent on the email. Uh, and by following the particular link, they will be able to log in. In the next setting, we have the show on login form. As I shown you, we can show the both options like a standard login and the magic login at the login forms. That is WP login and WP admin login screens. Token lifespan is another thing where we can set how much time, how many minutes or duration the logging tokens keeps active, like TTL, time to live, of the login form, login link. So WP con removed. Okay, so it will only available for 5 minutes for login. If in during the 5 minutes or within the 5 minutes the link is clicked, the user will be able to log in. This is simple. Token validity is once, and you can set it twice, thrice. Like a simple user can uh, log in only once if it is set to 1, or if it is a different number, it will work like that. Auto login links. So add magic login links to outgoing emails, and this could be very useful where there is an action waiting for user. Like if you are sending mails, automated emails like shoppings or commit comments and all, so it is a good idea to enable this solution, this option, so that user may log in whenever they want to log in at your website. And the next is very important, since we are mainly focused on the e-commerce solution, because login is mainly for activity on the website, and generally WooCommerce website requires the advanced login features. So this is where we can implement. So enable login for WooCommerce. Since this is not an e-commerce website, the options are not enabled. But yes, I can show you. the streamline the checkout experience for returning customers. So you can uh, further customize to how to show the login, magic login, like before WooCommerce login form or after WooCommerce login form. Enable customer login forms, or next we have the enable login for easy digital downloads. If you are using easy digital downloads, this option is for you. Brute force protection is uh, for enabling the additional security. Since we are offering the login solution, security is integral part there. And next is the login request throttling. So limit login URL generation for given time span. Like if you are offering this option, there might be bots or users who may misuse this form. So you can enable the throttling so that in the limited time, in a specific time span, they can only generate one link, two links or so. So if you are enabling this, you'll get the option like allowed to create maximum 10 login links from the same IP within 15 minutes. So this is a very good setting from the security point of view. Further, we have IP check, like the user should log in from the same IP that makes login request. So it is very logical. Like if you are a user is requesting a link, login link from a specific IP, he will be or she will be only able to log in at the website from the same IP. So this is very good, and it can be enabled. A domain restriction is here. You can restrict the domain name. Email subject you can customize, so how the email subject, the email is being sent. So what are the links, like if you are sending the default links, how you want to send and how you want to change the. So just don't change the short codes here. Rest you can change the text area. And further we have the text links, like the tags are here. Login redirect is here, like redirect users to custom URL after login. So it can be helpful if you are willing to redirect after login in. Enable Ajax is and the API access. So this is very good option. I mean, the settings are very easy to use, easy to understand. So I don't need to explain further. But just in case if you have any doubt, you have this documentation link. So you can open the documentation and understand how really you can configure one by one. So it is a very comprehensive document, installation, configuration and all. So you have all the topics that you may be seeking, like WooCommerce integration, easy digital downloads integration, token light span, and everything is clearly mentioned here, and the details are here. So you don't need to seek additional developer help for implementing this solution. However, it is very easy to use from the admin screen itself. Now, next we have the settings to registration. Like if you are offering the solution magic login for registration form also, so you can simply enable this for registration. And further we have registration mode settings, like automatically register if the user enters an email that has not registered. So this is a very easy to use registration system. So a new email will get registered automatically. The user will get registered automatically. So a standard registration form, the registration form will be displayed if the email address is not found during the login. Only with the registration shortcode, do not integrate with the magic login form. So this is the uh, clarity. Further, we have show the email field if username or invalid email is entered. Good. And the domain restriction is again here. User role we can define. So default role will be uh, applied to the new registration. Further, we have registration mail for welcome registration. And here also we can enable the redirection. Another important setting is spam protection. So if you are using the CAPTCHA or Cloudflare Turnstile at your website, you can simply configure the same here, and it will add additional security to the login forms of your website. Next, we have the SMS. In case if you are willing to have SMS links, so you can integrate the Twilio account details to today's most commonly used SMS services, and that it is cloud communication platform that allows you to programmatically send and receive SMS messages. So you can integrate the Twilio. Further, we have more tools like we can reset all the settings at once, or reset the license, or delete the tokens, which is active tokens, just in case if you want to do so. Whether we have export settings, import settings, and all, and licensing is of course here. So this solution is amazing when you are offering login to your website, and I strongly recommend this solution because it is going to enhance the user experience at your professional website. And in case if you are facing any trouble, don't hesitate in writing in the comment section, or get in touch with the iCreate mentor by clicking on this link here on the WP Themes website. We will certainly help you in implementing the solution in most effective manner. Don't miss to watch other videos on this channel, and subscribe and pressing the bell button so that you may get everything good for your WordPress website. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.